Morning everybody. So today's video is just gonna be another little daily weekly vlog as usual. I thought I would just bring you guys around this week and show you everything I get up to, what I eat in a day, and all that usual good stuff. But first things first, I need to seriously go shower. I look like a complete mess right now. And then maybe I'll show you guys a couple of my skincare products that I use after the shower too. So let's go shower. Yeah. I'm gonna just moisturize my skin with this SK2 moisturizing cream. I just feel like this gives your skin an instant glow. And then I'm gonna just take a little bit of this cocoa butter chapstick. This is like one of my favorite chapsticks. And then I'm gonna just take a little bit of this perfume oil. This is what it looks like. And I just put this on my wrists and then also on my neck. Just grab a pair of sunglasses maybe. These ones probably. Also ignore this drawer, that's a complete mess. I can't believe I just showed you guys that. But these are from Princess Polly, I want to say. Yeah, I think Princess Polly. Okay, so here's the outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this dress. It's from Realization. I think it's absolutely adorable. And then I'm just wearing my Gucci sneakers. And that's the outfit. Okay, so we just got to Center City. I think we're gonna grab a little bite to eat here and then maybe do a little shopping. And yeah, I really want ice cream right now. Okay, so we just got lunch. We just got some chicken kebabs and some salads, a little bit of hummus. Super yum. I've been really needing to get a pair of good basic leggings for working out and just like to have for when I'm at school, because I literally only wear leggings at school. These are the type that I usually get. But I think I'm gonna probably just get like a basic black there. Maybe cheetah? Is this one? Huh. I think probably just like basic black. Thank you. Guys. Thanks. Okay, so I just pulled a bunch of stuff. All of it is like, I feel like just really good for back to school. Guys, these phone cases remind me of the Glossier stickers. Oh, it matches my nails. Whoa. Okay, so I just got back in the car. We're on our way to a jewelry store now. It's called 14 Karat. This is the place that I usually get like all my basic jewelry, like my necklaces and my rings and stuff like that. You guys are always asking me like where I go to get everything, and so I thought I would show you guys. So let's go and hopefully I can vlog in there. I hope.
You happen to be, you happen to
These are all really pretty. So this is where I get all my initial jewelry from. Yeah, I love this. Hi everybody, so it's obviously a new day today. It's around 2 o'clock right now. I woke up around like 10 o'clock this morning, ate some breakfast, worked out. I'm actually thinking about showing you guys like a workout routine and like making a dedicated video to it, or like a lifestyle health journey. Is that the right word? I don't know, but let me know if you guys would be like interested in that. Before I go back to school, I've been trying to really like get in shape. I know I've been saying I've been working out, but like I honestly haven't. I've been doing the same workout that I always do and just run 3 miles, which I feel like when you do the same workout, your body just gets really used to it and it's really easy, and then it's like you're not challenging yourself. I don't know if I'm making any sense. I'm not a health person. But anyways, I'm gonna go grab some lunch right now, I think with my brother, and then maybe run a couple errands. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing tonight. Maybe I'll go get dinner. I think I might have a family dinner tonight. I'm not sure. Maybe. Anyways, let's go get some lunch. Actually, let me show you guys my outfit first and then we'll go to lunch. Okay, outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this dress. It's from Free People, I want to say. I got it a really long time ago. I actually think this is Bailey's. I think we got like matching dresses, and this is hers in the white, and then I got mine in red, I think. But anyways, it's from Free People.
Say you want someone, ignore my heart, I'm all inside.
Oh, Blake, you showed me the song.
This is my song.
I know.
You.
Fam lunch, minus mom. I just got a chicken bowl with lettuce, tomatoes, and then a little brown rice. Okay, so I just stopped home to grab my backpack. I got patches for it. It's from Dagny Dover. So I got these patches that they were selling online too. And you pretty much just can sew these on. I'm gonna just go to the dry cleaners right now and have them sewed on or iron it on. But I just feel like it'll make it look super cute. Yeah. So let's go to the dry cleaners and yeah.
It's hard to make it.
I'm gonna put these like right here.
Take it off, okay.
Hola.
So maybe like right
Chandler, could you help?
here? No, on the side, I think.
This is straight.
Straight? Okay. And then just the M right next to it. Perfect. And then just probably like right here?
De la bolsa.
Is that possible? Thank you.
Monday by 7 a.m. So I will do it, everything from my pocket.
Yeah. So it's been a little bit since I picked up my vlog camera. I think the last time I vlogged was when I was dropping off my backpack. Yeah, I think so. But anyways, I just came home and just like took a nap. I was so tired and that's pretty much all that happened. You guys didn't miss much. But anyways, I just got dressed and ready. We're gonna go to a dinner with some of our family friends and then I think we're gonna go to a movie after. I put on this outfit. Let me actually show it to you guys. I'm just wearing this little black dress. It's from Bernie Melville. Super simple and cute and casual. And then I'm just wearing this jacket from Pretty Little Thing. And yeah, I just did a little bit of makeup too. I did some concealer, bronzer, what else? Mascara, filled in my eyebrows, and then did a little bit of lipstick. We're at the movies. We're definitely 15 minutes late, but it's fine.
And you're keeping
We have like food here.
If not,
That movie was depressing, not funny. We saw, wait, what was it called? Farewell? Farewell. I thought it was gonna be funny. Morning everybody. So it's obviously a new day today. I just woke up, had a little bit of breakfast, and now I'm gonna go work out. I'm gonna just work out at my gym at home. This is the workout routine that I've been doing for the past like week and a half, I want to say, and I wanted to show it to you guys because it's just a really easy, simple, at home workout routine. Let me explain first what it is because it's like all on the treadmill. I'll put it on the screen right here. It's an hour on the treadmill total. So the first 2 miles I put it at a 3.0 incline and run it at 6.0 speed, so it's like a nice jog to warm up. And then I put it at a 12.0 incline and walk it at a 4.0 speed. So the first 2 miles will get to 20 minutes and then I do the walk until it gets to an hour. And then I do like a whole floor workout routine, but that's just like usual stuff that you guys have seen before. I'm wearing a really boring workout outfit, but this top is from Bernie Melville. I think I cropped it on my own. And then bra is from a store called Me Undies. It's really, really soft. And then I'm just wearing Lululemon leggings. Okay, so first I'm going to start with running my miles. So I'm going to do a 3.0 incline and then a 6.0 speed. And then I'm going to do a 12.0 incline and then a 4.0 speed or a 3.0 depending on how I'm feeling. Done. That workout kicked my ass. Okay, so I just got in the car. I think I'm gonna go grab a little bite to eat right now. I also want to go to Trader Joe's to get some veggie patties. So I kind of want to go somewhere near there. And that is lunch, just a turkey burger wrapped in lettuce. I'm so hungry right now, so I'm gonna go eat this. Bye. I'm editing this video right now and I realized I don't have an outro once again. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment and subscribe down below. Also comment down below if you guys would rather see a video of just like my last week home before I leave for college, or if you guys would rather see like a college related Q&A. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.